Okay. So now what we will do is we will take a circle maker. Okay, I'm taking this one. If you don't have a circle maker, you can take a lid or a lid like this. Okay, so you can just use it. Make a circle. Okay, so I'm using this. You can use compass, no problem. That's absolutely fine.
Can you centimeter?
Okay, so now I'm starting. So we will be making this today. So this we will be making. So I'm leaving some space for the label on the top. So I will start from here. Okay, in the first line, we will be having 5 emojis. Then we will have five, but some are hiding behind. And then we will have 3 emojis on the top. Okay.
Ma'am, this is JK Viber. Can I do? We can use this. We can use this cap.
Yeah, you can use whatever cap is available with you. Okay.
Ma'am, this is JK Viber. Can I do with my hand on the circle?
Yes, you can do. You can.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, I don't think 5 emojis will fit. Are we gonna do it like this or like this? Ma'am, can I do with my crayon circle cap?
You can do, you are free to do whatever you want. Okay, I'm starting the session and I have this circle maker. So I'm starting. So I will make
Ma'am, but how are we gonna make this? Like, how are we gonna make it? Are we gonna make it like this side or this side?
Keep your paper vertical. Make a line down like this, a rough line. And then make 5 circles on that line. Okay. You can see in the video emoji at the back of it with the semicircle like this. Okay. And then I will make one more emoji here like this.
Ma'am, can you just show me the emojis?
You can see this is what we are doing. Trying to do, I made a line and now we are making 5 circles over here in the first line. Okay. So I've started from the bottom of my page. I have left some space only after 15 minutes. So all the emojis should touch each other.
Really nice. So is I think done.
I am doing it with the DVD marker now so that everybody can see it clearly. Okay. Just outlining the emojis.
Ma'am, should we do it with the pencil or we should do it with the marker?
You can do it with the marker. You can do it with the sketch pen.
Zoom it. Please zoom it. For the leaves, as I told you, leaves are green because of pigment chlorophyll. So we are.
Okay. So now I will be making 4 more emojis. One, 2. If it is not fitting in your page, you can just overlap it. Okay. You can overlap it a little bit. The way I have done it here, I have overlapped it, half of it. Okay. So you can just overlap the emoji, just half of it. And then I'm making the 3. So 1 in the middle. Yeah. Okay. So our emojis are done now. So I'll make 2 emojis over here, just little up.
Ma'am, can you please wait? Ma'am, please wait for 6 minutes. We will be done soon.
Yes, yes, yes. I will wait. I will wait. Definitely, I will wait. Just let me complete little part of it. Okay. I will definitely wait. Don't worry. So I'm making a line here. I'm just making a freehand line like this. Just a line for the banner. So 2 emojis are holding the banner in their hand.
Ma'am, can you do your hand a little bit side?
Yes, please. Yes. Okay. So now I'm just making the banner over here. So here you can write World Emoji Day. Okay. So, I will write at the last. So currently I'm just adding few elements like this, wrinkles, and there. So this guy is having 2 big eyes and he has a birthday cap kind of thing on his head. And this is the design. And these are the pom-pom on his head. And he is just laughing and his eyes are closed. So the mouth is quite big. Okay. And the eyebrows are just raised a little up. Yeah. So our first emoji is ready now.
Ma'am, can you
Ma'am, will you please wait?
Yeah, I'm waiting now. Okay, I will wait for 5 minutes. Okay, so that you guys can complete it. Just add some more over here. Some more like this. And here also you can add. So this is just the fun part. If you want, you can add. If you don't want, you can just leave it like that. So the emojis are just making fun and they are making lot of noises. So you can add spiral as well. Few spirals, few small spirals here and there. Okay. And the second emoji is little surprised. So the eyes are big, round shaped, and then it has a you can leave some white space.
Teacher.
Yes.
Teacher. Can you please put your paper a little closer? I can't see it.
You want me to zoom? Okay, okay. So I am zooming in here. I hope everybody can see clearly now.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, but can we make our own faces for the emojis?
Yes, you're free to do whatever creativity you want to show. Absolutely okay. So he is little surprised that why everybody is making so much of noise. Okay, and he is also wearing a hat. Kind of. Okay,
Ma'am, what's emoji spelling?
E-M-O-J-I. So this is another pom-pom. He is wearing a different kind of hat. And in this there are triangular design on the head. Okay. Color in this with the black sketch pen because he is opening his mouth too much. Okay. So by the time everybody is doing it, I'm just completing the text work so that you can do it later after the class as well. I'm just saving on my time because everybody is asking me to wait. So I'm just writing over here world and then emoji. Yes. J-I, emoji.
Watercolor.
Watercolor you can do later, not in the class now, because I am not doing it in the class. I will not suggest now.
Can you just zoom into the emoji for?
Yes, please. Okay.
Can you zoom to the a little bit?
Where?
On the emojis, on the faces, the surprise faces.
Color.
Okay, thank you. That's fine.
You want me to zoom?
If you can.
Hope everybody can see it. Okay. So, shall I move forward now?
Yes, just finish drawing.
Okay, okay. So I have to yet do the drawing. By the time I'm just outlining the banner. You can do it later after the with the sketch pen. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I have thinner tip of my sketch pens.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. So I have just outlined it, and now I will be making the emojis. So our first emoji is in the center of the pyramid, and he has a big eye. So eye, and the other eye is almost closed because he is laughing, and this eye is just having 2 circles in the middle. Okay. So now the face will be quite big. And teeth are visible, shining bright white. Okay. And this emoji, the eyes are very round and very big. It's like the popping eyes. And 1 circle and a dot inside. Okay. And
Ma'am, can we make our own faces?
Yes, you can make. You can make. Okay. So now he is having He's showing teeth. So how will you make the teeth? Like this.
Ma'am, please wait, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm just.
How did you make the teeth?
I just filled the space between the teeth. So how I have made the teeth is, I just made the teeth like this. So I did not join it from the top. Same way, the bottom teeth also, I made it like this. And then you can fill the space in between. Okay. So now, I will make the third emoji. And this guy is like a fully roly-poly kind of. The mouth is very widely open. Okay. And then he is also showing his teeth. So eyes I'm making just double. Yeah. So 3 emojis are ready.
Ma'am, please wait, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you color the word emoji day?
Yes, you can color. You can color. By the time I'm waiting for everybody, I'm just filling the black sketch pen in the mouth.
Ma'am, can you see my drawing?
Now, I'm making the heart shape eyes because he is very happy and he is feeling.
Ma'am,
Yes.
happy Mandala Day.
Mandala Day.
Yeah.
What is that Mandala Day?
Ma'am, I'm not sure about it yet, but I just got the invite actually.
Okay, okay. Okay. So now I made the eyes. I'm starting with the second row. And this one also is having the eyes popping out.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, will you please move aside so I can...
Yeah, I will move. Just give me 5 minutes so that my drawing is complete, and after that we will start coloring. Okay. Just give me 2 minutes. So this guy is also laughing. So I will fill the color over here. Yeah. And now?
What all emojis will you make? Can you tell me? Or show me?
Yes, beta.
What all emojis will we make?
Yeah, only few are left. I'm making it. So we will be making this. Okay.
Ma'am, can you show that 1 minute? Which you showed. Ma'am,
Okay.
please go aside, miss.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay.
can you show? I will take a photo and I will do.
You can do that after the class. Try to complete it, whatever I'm trying to teach you right now.
Okay, ma'am.
If you will concentrate, you will get it. Okay. If
Ma'am,
you will
you
not
see my
concentrate,
picture. You'll never. It is very easy.
yeah, it's very easy. Emojis are not hard to make.
Not
These
only
are
easy, very simple.
very simple. Yes, absolutely.
And when I grow up, I want
He's
to
also
fly
showing
in
his
rocket
teeth.
to Emoji Planet.
You can make rocket over here. So you can add your creativity. These are just samples.
Emoji world. A world full of emojis.
But if there's a zombie emoji,
Yeah.
all will get scared.
Yes. It is so fun to draw the emojis, right?
Even going to emoji planet and world.
Ma'am, you write in the world emoji.
Yes.
Which you write on the world emoji day. You did with the.
Ma'am, can you go a little bottom, ma'am?
Ma'am, your handwriting is very good.
Thank you.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can you please get the camera down?
You want me to zoom?
No, ma'am, I don't want you to zoom. Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is the thing which is keeping all teeth shivering?
Teeth are shivering.
Ma'am,
Third one in the top. What is that called?
He's smiling. He's smiling.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, on
Yes.
which day emoji can help?
Emoji day is today, 17 July.
Thanks, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Ma'am, what happened to the emoji planet? Is it gone?
I have no idea. You tell me.
The emoji planet is there. I will like flew in the rocket till there.
It's all imaginary. You can imagine anything.
Ma'am, in the rocket, can we put more emojis?
Yes, yes, you can draw. You can fill your page with emojis. But I would like to do only this much. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So you can show your
Ma'am, that will
creativity. You can
many-
add as many colors as you want.
Ma'am, this is Viber. It will take so much time to make that.
Yes, yes. See, you are so intelligent.
Ma'am,
You
what
already-
are we learning tomorrow?
Tomorrow we will be learning
Guru Purnima, right?
Guru Purnima. Yes. So for that you need to have the this brush pen. Okay.
Yeah.
I have brush pen.
Yeah. If you don't have brush pen, then you can use sketch pen.
Ma'am, Sunday.
But I don't have sketch pens. I have crayons.
5 years.
Okay, you all mute now. It's no time to talk.
Ma'am,
Okay.
brush pen.
Please focus on your work. Please
Ma'am,
focus on your work
This
and
the
try to complete it. Try to complete it. Okay.
Ma'am, is
So now I'm done with my
Is this the brush pen?
JK Web. Of that I will see tomorrow because it is required for tomorrow's class. So today you please try to complete your drawing. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Or we will talk about it after the class. So now I will take my pencil color. So I will need yellow, brown and red.
Ma'am, can you see my drawing?
Who is speaking? Yes,
Ma'am,
Shihan.
Shihan.
Yes, yes. Yes, Shihan. Your drawing is good. Okay.
Ma'am, should
Sorry, but I didn't get you.
ma'am? Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, are you using color pencil or brush pen?
I'm using color pencil. Color pencil.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have to
Okay,
do
so we
the
need to
outline
quickly
of
fill the.
emojis of with DVD marker.
You can use sketch pen as well. Okay. Anything is fine. So please fill in the yellow color in all the faces of the emoji, and then we will give the effects in the faces later after the yellow color is complete.
Ma'am, we have to do every emoji yellow. Ma'am, this is Viber. We have to do every emoji yellow. Ma'am?
Yes, you can do. You know one, what you say, anger. Okay.
Ma'am, your screen is blurred.
Ma'am, we
Okay.
can
But
see
there is
you.
nothing. I'm not doing anything new. You can see, right?
Ma'am, but we can see you.
Ma'am, not see your emoji correctly because your screen is blurred.
Ma'am, I can see, miss.
Ma'am, I never seen a drawing like
Yeah, there might be some internet connection issue.
Ma'am, your camera is
this. Ma'am, leave
coming
the
up
meeting
at
and join
20.
again.
Ma'am, your
Shall I
network
join
is
again?
coming very well unusual.
It will be fine after 5 minutes. You need to have patience. I think the connection will be fine.
Ma'am, I think your internet cable must be going some wrong.
Ma'am,
Sometimes the connection quality goes bad no in between. So I hope
Ma'am, I'm not done. Ma'am, it is showing Art Explorer Academy's network.
okay. So you can complete that because I think I also need to try to finish it, and I'll show you how to do the emojis, coloring in the emoji. So this yellow color you can fill later. So try to understand the procedure. Once you know the procedure, you can do it after the class. Also, you can practice. And please don't forget to send me the picture. I will make a video of it and I'll post it on my FB page. You might have seen it already. For so many people, I have done it for my previous classes.
Ma'am, this is JK light yellow.
This is yellow, medium yellow, not light yellow. Don't use light yellow. Use medium or dark yellow.
I'm using medium
Screen is not clear.
Yeah, some connection issue is there, but you can see, right? Still you can see.
Can you show me the whole image? You know, the drawing? I can't see the whole drawing because you're coloring.
You
Ma'am, when you're coloring, we can see.
I will show you at the end of the session. I will show you at the end of the session. Session is not complete yet and my drawing is also not complete. Okay.
Ma'am, there's a last one left.
Yeah.
There's a last one left.
No, we have two on the top as well. That's okay. I will do it later.
Ma'am, I have wrote very sad news in the chat box.
I will talk to you after the class. Please concentrate on the work now. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So this one also.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, if we completed the whole one, can we do the top one also? The top one.
Yes. We are supposed to do this too also. So I will first show you how to do the shading. Okay. So now you can take your brown color. Okay. And just only at the edges you can do the outlining like this in the round motion. Yeah, like this. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can we do an outline with the black color?
Yes, we have to do outline with the black color, but this is, I'm filling the brown color. I am not doing only the outlining. I am filling also a little bit brown color to give that 3D effect. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So don't make it too dark. You have to apply less pressure on the pencil and then just color it like this. Okay. So this one I will do red color in the hearts. You can use red and orange. Both are okay. Like this. Okay. And now.
Ma'am, this is JK Vibers. In 4 o'clock, you have one more class.
JK, yeah, I know that. So I'm just about to complete it. So I will leave these two, you can complete. So it is the same procedure. Now I'm just making the eyes, and in the eyes, you can just
Ma'am, this
fill
is
little bit of blue color.
Ma'am, this is Tejas.
Ma'am, this is JK Vaibhav. You have one more class, so can you show that full, because I'll take a photo and do afterwards, because I have one more class with that.
It's Saturday, it's holiday.
It's fully visible, beta. You can take the picture. Nothing else is there. You can see in the camera, right?
Now I can.
Ma'am, this is Tejas Naya, ma'am. I also have one class of 4.
Yeah. Okay. Take the picture and you can continue after the class. So in few of the eyes, I am doing blue color, but I am leaving a little bit of space. And in few of the eyes, you can do green color very lightly. Okay. Don't apply too much of pressure like this. Okay. So here also I am doing green color in the eyes. So very light with very light pressure and leave some of the white space in the eye. Like this.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Where are you filling the color green color, ma'am?
In eyes.
In the teeth area. Ma'am? Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, can I show my picture? And what will you use? Teeth.
Teeth are white. No need to fill any color in the teeth.
Ma'am, can I show my picture?
Yeah, I'll see. Just a minute. Give me a minute. I'll just see. So all these are done. So now I'm doing the bottom row. So green color only. And this is blue. So somewhere you can use blue, somewhere you can use green, and somewhere you can use purple. Okay.
Ma'am?
And
Ma'am, can you see, ma'am?
yeah, I will see. And you can make the teardrops, because some people, when they laugh, your tears come out of the eyes. So you can make it red or blue as well. Okay. Okay. So now this part is done.
Now your screen is correct.
Okay. Okay. Good. Good. Okay. So I'll just quickly finish it off.
Ma'am?
Ma'am, what color will you do the background?
Teacher, we was not still done, so can you wait?
Beta, time is already over for the class. I have told you the procedure. You can do the coloring. I hope your drawing is complete.
Mama will tell me the color, so you can go right now.
Yeah, so you have understood the coloring, right? So I did yellow color in the face, and on the outline I did brown color.
Ma'am, can I click the screenshot of the drawing, because I have not finished the coloring?
I will send the picture in the group. Don't worry about that. Okay? Don't worry.
Okay, ma'am.
After this is complete, I will send the picture in the group. You are there in the WhatsApp group, right? Everybody is in the WhatsApp group?
Yes,
I will send the picture over there.
Yes, ma'am, but 2 of our members on the WhatsApp group have left the group.
Okay.
Stop.
Okay, so you can see the picture.
Issue.
Okay, beta, it's their choice. It's okay. They might have some other work. So that's fine. Absolutely fine.
Ma'am, this is grade 3A class.
Ma'am, what color
beta?
you did in some emojis, eyebrows?
Grade 3A class.
Ma'am, please.
Ma'am, I'm a grade 3B student.
Okay. Okay, please don't forget to send your picture. I'll make a video. Okay, don't forget to send. Everybody is doing a great job.
Ma'am?
I'll before only send.
Ma'am?
Yeah.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Upload it on the Facebook page. I have given the detail where you are supposed to upload. Just click on the link and go to the discussion tab and upload your picture in the comment section.
Upload in Facebook?
Because if everybody will send me, then it will be difficult for me and it will take a lot of time, no? And I will miss some entry. If you will upload on the Facebook, then I will not forget it.
Ma'am, this is JK Viber. In that class,
Yes,
we did monster. In that class, which we did monster, they gave me little likes.
Ma'am?
Okay, that's okay. Likes does not matter.
Ma'am?
Okay. Yes.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Can you see my drawing?
I will check for everybody.
Yes, ma'am. Mine also finished. I can show you.
My drawing will be super.
Who's drawing?
Ma'am, my drawing.
Hi, Hanish GB.
Good, good, good. Very good, very good. So everybody is becoming intelligent day by day. You are learning lot of things,
Madam,
right?
cap is which color? Madam, cap is which color?
Yeah.
A cap is which color?
What's that sound? Joker.
You can use any color, any color. I am using what you call. I am using Camlin brush pen. So you can use any sketch pen. Okay.
And those are stylish sketch pens.
Yeah.
Madam, use gel pen?
Brush pen, not gel pen.
Brush pen.
Ma'am? Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, can I show my picture?
I will check for everybody now. I'm done with it.
Sketch
Okay.
pens.
Now you can show me.
Crayons.
Ma'am, can you see my picture?
Yes. Everybody please show me once. I want to see everybody's picture. And the time is over. Then we will quickly leave for the meeting. Okay.
Ma'am, can